yogurt. Greek yogurt, often called strained yogurt, is made by removing whey, giving it a thick, creamy texture while keeping its rich protein content. This makes it a fantastic option for people with diabetes. Protein helps slow down digestion, which means it can prevent blood sugar spikes and keep you feeling full longer. Unlike regular yogurt, Greek yogurt has fewer carbohydrates, which is a big plus for anyone watching their blood sugar. But here's the catch. Not all Greek yogurts are created equal. Many flavored varieties are packed with hidden sugars, turning a healthy choice into a blood sugar nightmare. Always check the label and go for plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt. You can add natural sweetness with fresh berries, a sprinkle of cinnamon, or a handful of nuts for extra fiber and healthy fats. This way, you get all the benefits without the unnecessary sugar. Another reason why Greek yogurt is a great option for diabetics is its probiotic content. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that support gut health, digestion, and even immune function. Some studies suggest that a healthy gut microbiome can help improve insulin sensitivity, which is crucial for managing diabetes. However, not all Greek yogurts contain live probiotics. Some brands pasteurize their yogurt after fermentation, killing off the beneficial bacteria. To get the most out of Greek yogurt, look for labels that mention live and active cultures. These yogurts will provide the gut-friendly bacteria that can support your overall health. Greek yogurt is also incredibly versatile. It can be enjoyed on its own, mixed with low-carb fruits, or even used as a substitute for unhealthy ingredients in cooking. For example, you can use Greek yogurt instead of sour cream in dips, add it to smoothies for extra protein, or even use it as a base for a healthy salad dressing. The possibilities are endless, making it a smart addition to any diabetic-friendly diet. One thing to keep in mind when choosing Greek yogurt is the fat content. You'll find full-fat, low-fat, and fat-free options in stores. While fat-free options might seem like the healthiest choice, they often contain more sugar to make up for the lack of flavor. Full-fat Greek yogurt, on the other hand, provides healthy fats that can help with satiety and blood sugar control. If you're worried about calories, a good middle ground is choosing a low-fat variety without added sugars. For those who are lactose intolerant or sensitive to dairy, Greek yogurt can still be an option. Because it's strained, it contains less lactose than regular yogurt, making it easier to digest for many people. However, if you still experience discomfort, there are lactose-free Greek yogurts available that provide the same benefits without the digestive issues. When shopping for Greek yogurt, always check the ingredients list. The best choice will have only 2 ingredients, milk and live active cultures. Avoid products with added sugars, artificial flavors, or thickening agents. Some brands market their yogurt as Greek style, but this often means they've added thickeners instead of straining it naturally. Real Greek yogurt should have a naturally thick texture without any unnecessary additives. Greek yogurt is more than just a healthy snack. It's a powerful tool for managing diabetes. Its high protein content, low carbohydrate count, and probiotic benefits make it one of the best dairy choices for blood sugar control. By choosing the right kind and pairing it with nutritious toppings, you can enjoy a delicious diabetes-friendly food that supports your overall health. 2. Icelandic yogurt Skyr. Icelandic yogurt, also known as Skyr, is a fantastic option for people with diabetes who want a high-protein, low-carb snack without the strong, tangy taste of traditional yogurt. Like Greek yogurt, Icelandic yogurt is strained, but it goes through an even longer straining process, making it thicker and creamier while keeping the sugar content low. This extra straining process also means it has an even higher protein content, which is great for stabilizing blood sugar levels and keeping you full longer. Protein slows down digestion, helping prevent sudden spikes and crashes in blood sugar, making it a great addition to a diabetes-friendly diet. One of the reasons Icelandic yogurt tastes milder than Greek yogurt is the type of bacterial cultures used in the fermentation process. These cultures create a smoother, less tangy flavor, which makes it an excellent choice for people who find Greek yogurt too strong. Despite the difference in taste, it still offers the same benefits, including gut-friendly probiotics. These probiotics support digestion, boost immune function, and may even improve insulin sensitivity, which is crucial for diabetes management. But as with any yogurt, not all Icelandic yogurts are created equal. Some brands add sugar or artificial flavors to enhance the taste, turning a healthy choice into something that can harm your blood sugar levels. Always check the ingredients list and choose plain, unsweetened varieties to get the best health benefits without unwanted additives. Another great thing about Icelandic yogurt is its versatility. You can eat it on its own, mix it with nuts and seeds for added fiber and healthy fats, or use it in smoothies for extra creaminess and protein. If you like a little sweetness, opt for fresh berries instead of sugary syrups or artificial sweeteners. You can even use Icelandic yogurt as a base for dips, salad dressings, or as a substitute for sour cream in recipes. It's a great way to add more protein and probiotics to your meals while keeping things low in sugar. If you're lactose intolerant or sensitive to dairy, Icelandic yogurt might still be a good option. Because of its straining process, it contains less lactose than regular yogurt, making it easier to digest. Some brands even offer lactose-free versions for those who want the benefits without any digestive discomfort. Just like with Greek yogurt, you'll also find full-fat, low-fat, and fat-free options. While fat-free versions may seem like the healthier choice, they often contain added sugars to make up for the lack of flavor. A better choice is a low-fat or full-fat version, without added sugars, as the healthy fats can help with satiety and blood sugar control. When shopping for Icelandic yogurt, always look for options with simple ingredients, ideally just milk and live active cultures. Avoid products with added sugars, artificial thickeners, or unnecessary additives. Some brands try to mimic the thick texture of Icelandic yogurt without using the traditional straining process, so always check the label to make sure you're getting the real thing. Overall, Icelandic yogurt is a top choice for people with diabetes looking for a nutritious, protein-rich option that supports blood sugar control and gut health. Its mild taste, high protein content, and versatility make it a great addition to any meal plan. Just make sure to choose wisely, stick to plain versions, and pair it with healthy, natural ingredients to maximize its benefits. If you're finding this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more diabetes-friendly tips. And if you have any questions or need advice, drop a comment below. I'd love to help. 3. Low-fat or non-fat yogurt. Low-fat or non-fat yogurt is a smart choice for people with diabetes, and the American Diabetes Association, ADA, strongly recommends it over full-fat options. The reason: saturated fat, which is found in full-fat dairy, can raise cholesterol levels and increase the risk of heart disease. Since diabetes already puts extra strain on the heart, choosing low-fat or non-fat dairy can be a simple yet effective way to protect overall health. Low-fat yogurt still contains all the important nutrients like protein, calcium, and probiotics, but with less unhealthy fat. Many people think fat is necessary for a good yogurt texture, but low-fat and non-fat yogurts can still be creamy and satisfying, especially when paired with healthy toppings like nuts or berries. The key is to avoid flavored yogurts that may seem healthy, but are loaded with added sugars. Even if a yogurt is labeled as low-fat, it's important to check the ingredients because some brands add sugar to make up for the lack of fat, which can lead to blood sugar spikes. But yogurt isn't just limited to cow's milk. If you're looking for alternatives, there are plenty of options to explore, such as sheep and goat's milk yogurt. These varieties can be easier to digest for some people, especially those who have trouble with cow's milk proteins. Goat's milk yogurt, for example, has a slightly different protein structure that some people find gentler on their stomachs. It's also naturally rich in probiotics, which are beneficial for gut health and digestion. Sheep's milk yogurt is another great option because it contains higher amounts of protein and healthy fats, which can help with satiety and blood sugar control. The flavor of these yogurts can be a bit stronger compared to regular cow's milk yogurt, but many people enjoy their creamy texture and unique taste. Another option is lactose-free yogurt, which has enzymes added to break down lactose, making it a great choice for those who are lactose intolerant. Many people with diabetes also have some degree of lactose intolerance, even if they don't realize it. Symptoms like bloating, gas, or stomach discomfort after eating dairy can be signs of lactose intolerance, and switching to a lactose-free yogurt might help improve digestion. These yogurts provide the same benefits as regular dairy yogurt, including protein, calcium, and probiotics, without causing digestive issues. No matter which type of yogurt you choose, always check the nutrition label carefully. Some yogurts, even ones marketed as healthy, can be packed with added sugars, which can be harmful for blood sugar control. A good rule of thumb is to look for yogurt that has less than 10 grams of sugar per serving, and ideally, no added sugars. Instead of sweetened yogurts, try adding natural flavors with ingredients like cinnamon, vanilla extract, or fresh fruit. Also, pay attention to the protein content, as higher protein yogurts can help keep you fuller for longer and support better blood sugar control. Greek yogurt or Icelandic Skyr, for example, have higher protein levels compared to regular yogurt, making them excellent choices for people with diabetes. Ultimately, the best yogurt is the one that fits your personal health goals and dietary needs. Whether you prefer low-fat, goat's milk, sheep's milk, or lactose-free yogurt, the most important thing is to make sure it's low in sugar and high in protein. By choosing the right yogurt, you can enjoy a delicious and nutritious snack that supports both your blood sugar levels and overall well-being. 4. Plant-based yogurt alternatives. Plant-based yogurt alternatives are more popular than ever, especially for those who are lactose intolerant, allergic to dairy, or following a plant-based diet. These yogurts come from sources like almond, coconut, oat, and soy, each with its own unique taste and nutrition. But for people with diabetes, choosing the right one is important. Unlike dairy yogurt, many plant-based yogurts are low in protein, which helps slow digestion and prevent blood sugar spikes. Soy yogurt has the highest protein content, making it a better choice for blood sugar control. Almond, oat, and coconut yogurts are lower in protein, so pairing them with nuts or seeds can help improve their nutritional value. Another major concern is added sugar. Many plant-based yogurts are flavored and sweetened to improve taste, but that also increases sugar content. Even products labeled as healthy can contain more sugar than expected. Always check the nutrition label and choose unsweetened options or those with minimal added sugar. A good rule of thumb is to pick a yogurt with no more than 10 grams of sugar per serving. Instead of sweetened yogurts, try adding fresh fruit, cinnamon, or vanilla extract for natural sweetness. Coconut yogurt is another popular option, but it's high in saturated fat. Since people with diabetes have a higher risk of heart disease, consuming too much saturated fat can be harmful. If you enjoy coconut yogurt, eat it in moderation and look for lower fat versions when possible. One thing to note is that plant-based yogurts don't naturally contain the same nutrients as dairy yogurt. Regular yogurt is a great source of calcium and vitamin D, which are essential for bone health. Some plant-based yogurts are fortified with these nutrients, so always check the label. If your yogurt isn't fortified, make sure to get calcium and vitamin D from other sources like leafy greens, fortified plant-based milk, or supplements. Some plant-based yogurts also contain artificial thickeners, preservatives, or unhealthy oils to improve texture and shelf life. These additives aren't ideal for overall health, so it's best to choose yogurts with simple, whole food ingredients. A high-quality plant-based yogurt should have a short ingredient list with recognizable ingredients. Also, look for options with live active cultures, as probiotics can support gut health just like traditional yogurt. If you're looking for the best plant-based yogurt for diabetes, soy yogurt is a great choice because it has more protein and a balanced nutritional profile. Almond and oat yogurts can also be good options if they are unsweetened and fortified with key nutrients. Coconut yogurt should be eaten in moderation due to its higher saturated fat content. Always check the label for added sugars, protein, and essential nutrients before making a decision. At the end of the day, plant-based yogurts can be a great addition to a diabetes-friendly diet, but choosing the right one is key. Prioritizing unsweetened varieties, ensuring they have enough protein, checking for added sugar, and looking for fortified options can help you enjoy plant-based yogurt while keeping blood sugar levels in check. Whether you prefer almond, soy, oat, or coconut yogurt, making informed decisions will allow you to enjoy a delicious and nutritious snack without compromising your health. If you want more tips on managing your diabetes through food, check out our other videos where we dive deeper into healthy eating, exercise tips, and more. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated on new content that could make a real difference in your health. Your journey to better health starts right here. Choosing the right yogurt can make a real difference in managing diabetes. Whether it's Greek yogurt for high protein, low-fat yogurt for heart health, goat or sheep's milk yogurt for easier digestion, or plant-based options for those avoiding dairy, what matters most is checking the ingredients and avoiding added sugars. Making smart food choices doesn't mean giving up delicious options. It just means knowing what works best for your body. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out our next video for more tips on managing diabetes through smarter food choices. Thank you for watching our video today. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe button to support us. We truly appreciate you support, and it will motivate us to continue make more information video to help you all. Thank you and goodbye.